Welcome back to Mighty Mo Outdoors. Today we're unboxing a Dewalt chainsaw with a 12-inch bar on it, cordless. Okay, it comes with one charger, one 5AH battery, and the chainsaw. It has a chain lock on it and a sleeve for a chain guard. You put the battery in the back here, and you have to put bar oil in it. Right here is where the oil goes. So we'll put some oil in this, and then we'll go outside and try it out on some wood. Okay, let's go outside and try it out. Okay, we're gonna cut a little bit of wood with this thing and try it out and see what happens. Cuts pretty good. Be good for lambing with. You cut a tree down, or you just got a small tree you need to cut up real quick without messing with a gasoline fired one. Be good for around the yard. Okay, thanks for watching. Hit subscribe and like if you like this kind of content. We'll see you on the next one.